Swaptom is a new startup that is trying to reinvent what swapping is. You need to create a profile. You will have to post your own items for other users to see and pick. It's actually advisable that you do so immediately as you create your profile, because when you see an item that you like, it's nice at that time to have users already asking for one of your items, so one you're willing to give away. It allows people to swap in circles, in groups, where each one gives to the other exactly what they asked for. And it was after the Lehman Brothers and the subprime crisis and the crisis coming up in my hometown, my home country, that we realized that people will be looking for alternative ways. Money is gonna be in short supply. But swapping in general goes in many areas in life. We decided to start from fashion because fashion items have a very fast circulation, and there is a lot of the community is conscious about swapping. People do swap clothes. People are aware of the fact that even just in the United States, 11 million tons of clothes decorate your dump. I have a daughter who's an avid swapper. I have a wife who shops from thrift shops all the time. She's very conscientious about all that. So I'm all around, this area. There is an element of being conscientious about where we're going, the environment, the way we live, and the need to change. I am part of that. I am trying in my life, to be conscientious about all these things.